YouTube is not for the weak. Yes, I said so. Don't allow anybody to make you feel as if you're not trying. That is why your YouTube channel is not growing. You are not putting in more energy. That is why your YouTube channel is a lie. Oh, YouTube is not for the weak. Trust me, it's not for the weak. And you have to be determined for you to win on YouTube. You have to be determined. You have to be teachable. You have to learn. Oh, me, I always say that YouTube is like a school where you learn. You have to learn. You have to improve for your channel to grow. Now, there is this thing that is very common among YouTubers. When we start YouTube, especially new YouTubers, we'll be like, is it not to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours? No, wahala na. I'm going to do video and post. You will do a video, you will post it, and nobody is watching it. Or sometimes you will even have 100 views and 3 likes. Nobody will even subscribe from that 100. It happens. It doesn't mean that you are a loser. Don't feel that way, though. Go and ask people that are very successful on YouTube today. They should tell you their story. When they will tell you, you know that you are trying. So don't lose hope. YouTube is not for the weak. As far you are determined, as far as you know what you are doing, one day you will surely win on YouTube. You will surely win on YouTube. And one advice I have for you as a new YouTuber is this: don't listen to too much of YouTube teachers. Oh, you know now the number of YouTube teachers we have is plenty. They will come and tell you, turn on this notification. This one will tell you to turn it on. The other will tell you to turn it off. Like, you will start getting confused. You won't know the one to do. So make sure that you listen to the right people that will guide you. You get so, and do it to always improve. Make sure that the video you posted today is better than the one you posted yesterday or last week. You get so. YouTube is not for the weak. One day you are going to skate through. You are going to win on YouTube. You are going to be a very big YouTuber one day. So, and that will only happen if you don't give up, if you don't lose hope. So that's why I titled this video as YouTube is not for the weak. It's not for the weak. So a lot of YouTubers are actually lying, telling you that you are not doing enough, you are not doing this, you are not doing that. I want to give a shout out to Bolo of Lagos. Bolo of Lagos did a video that I watched and I love so much. Please, I would love you to check his channel out. Bolo of Lagos, that's his name. And he talked about he copying somebody. Like, there's this video that was trending. He did the exact video somebody else did. The person had thousands of views on that video, so it's there to copy that person. And the views he had, I think he had 20 views on that video. Meanwhile, the person he copied from had over what is 20,000, like thousands of views. You get so he got to realize that you don't even need to copy somebody to succeed on YouTube. And you don't even know the video that will do well on YouTube. So YouTube, the more you try to understand YouTube, the more they will even confuse you. So what am I trying to say? You have to know what you are doing here. You don't need to copy and copy and copy everybody. No. Sometimes sit down and think of the topic you want to talk about and title it. Do your video and post. Don't allow low views to discourage you. Don't allow low subscribers count to discourage you. People are not commenting on your video, you are feeling bad. Don't feel bad. Just keep doing what you are doing. Be consistent. Consistency, it wins. Oh, it means a lot. Don't allow anybody to tell you that, oh, you know, by posting every day. No, you don't need to post every day. Define your own consistency. You can be posting once a week. That is consistent for you, right? You can be posting 2 times a week. It's still okay. 3 times a week is still okay. If you can post every day like Vibe with Sonia, it's still perfect. Do what works for you. Don't copy anybody. That is one mistake that a lot of YouTubers are making. They copy and copy and copy. You just want to be like somebody else. And you forgot that you are unique and you are special just the way you are. You get? So, YouTube is not for the weak. You have to know what you are doing. You have to improve in what you are doing. And you don't need to feel bad if you are not seeing the results you want. I don't know if I should call this video encouraging video or motivation video. I don't know. But I just felt to do this video because I know this video will reach a lot of people that are about giving up on their YouTube channel or are already tired of their YouTube channel and saying, ah, this YouTube not be the way I take reason now more. The thing hard though. So I pray this video reach you and you get encouraged and motivated. So that particular niche you are, if you have been posting videos on that niche and you see that it's not doing well at all, change your niche. Look for something else, something better that you know people will like to watch, people will like to click on. You understand? So that is it about this video. YouTube is not for the weak. You have to know what you are doing. You need the strength. Just to summarize everything I said in this video, don't give up on your YouTube channel. Feel free to change your niche in case your niche, the niche you are, is not doing well. YouTube is not a get quick rich scheme. It's not a get quick rich platform where today you post video and tomorrow you are cashing out. No, you have to work for it. It's just like a farm work whereby you plant today and then you go home and you start putting effort on that farm by watering the plants and the rest, and then when the time of harvest comes, you harvest your plants, your products. So that is how YouTube is. You keep posting videos, buying data and doing all those things, and then one day you start earning from it. So it's not something you do today and start making money tomorrow. No, it doesn't work like that. And another thing I talked about is don't stop copying people up and down. The copy what I see for this YouTube is too much. Oh, I'm not saying you should not copy. Oh, all of us we copy from each other, I know. But when it comes to, when I say copy too much, somebody just do this video today with this title, tomorrow you are going to do it without title. In fact, you will copy the thumbnail, you copy everything. If something too much, you know, good. And funny enough, you don't even know the video that will go viral. So sometimes sit down and ask yourself, what kind of video should I talk about? And go ahead, you new YouTuber, go ahead and film that video and post it. You never can tell. You never can tell. Do you get? So I hope I've been able to motivate somebody that is about giving up on his or her YouTube channel not to give up. YouTube is not for the weak, we all know. But for if others can benefit from their YouTube channel, why can't you? Why can't you? You will. I tell you, you will. Keep pushing, don't give up. I will see you guys in my next video. So don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.